Hey, we are out here today going to do a house wash. It's a beautiful day to get that done. You guys, my name is Randy.
I'm Roger.
And we are Tiki SoftWash. All right, so I want to talk a little bit about how we're going to do the whole house wash process. Sometimes folks need us to prep the house for paint. Sometimes their house is just dirty, and a lot of times it's a bunch of cobwebs or maybe even mud daubers out here that you need off your house. But we're going to show you our process and how we do house washes. You guys stick around. We're going to jump right into this video. All right, so we came out to do a house wash today. The gentleman is actually looking to prep the house for paint. So this is what most of our job is when we come out to do a house wash, really, is to either prep for paint or the house is just really dirty, a lot of cobwebs, sometimes mud daubers. Sometimes we're even removing nests if necessary. We ask the homeowner first if that's what they want us to do. But a house wash really consists of us utilizing our solutions to get that deep clean that the painter is looking for. Pressure washing a house is great, but sometimes, like I said, can be very damaging. So we've actually seen during house washes that we've done some of the damage that the pressure washers came in and done on our customer's home, where they're taking chunks of stucco out of the house or even damaging the siding and taking off paint. And this is what we're talking about with the dangers of using pressure wash or pressure on certain surfaces. Like pressure washers really should be only used on hard concrete, hard surfaces like concrete or stone and things like that. House washes, we do specifically soft washing. Again, that's low pressure, utilizing solution to clean with. You get that deep clean, and that's what we're looking for. A lot of times we're able to even get off specific stains like rust stains that we'll have a before and after for you on that. Soft washing did a great job on removing those rust stains, which means that the painter can come in and just paint over stucco instead of a stain. That's the whole purpose of actually getting the house clean, right? So this is what we do for a house wash. One of the reasons why customers that we found in our experience ask us to come out and wash a house, in fact, we had a customer call us out because of the HOA. He had the HOA get a hold of him and say, hey, we're gonna start fining you if you don't have your house cleaned. And the reason why is because he did have organics all over his house. There was a darker mold or mildew all on the front of his house and down the side of his house. It was very visible. And as you know, HOAs can be very, very strict on the rules that they have. And so we came out and treated it with our solutions, sodium hypochlorite and a green wash and Terra, and we were able to remove all of that mold and mildew off of the house. And this is the reason why he gave us such a great review on Google, talking about how the HOA was harassing him about these organics, and then we were able to remove them. This is an important reason for actually having a house wash. I appreciate you coming by, checking out the video. If you're getting any value out of this video, hit that like button. You guys, if you like this type of content where you're seeing before and after shots, also the type of education you get as we do our jobs, because that's really what this is all about. Hit that subscribe button. You guys come back and see us again. Man, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video, because it really is important to us here at Tiki SoftWash, my brother Roger and I, to get the word out about how SoftWash can benefit a homeowner and how our maintenance programs can really help. So if you want to get a hold of us for a free consultation, for us to come out and do a free estimate for you, you can call us at 909-375-0408, or you can reach myself at my first name Randy at tikisoftwash.com. Also get my brother on there at Roger at tikisoftwash.com. And or you can head over to our website, visit our website, see some of our before and after pictures at www.tikisoftwash.com. That's TIKISSOFTWASH.com. Appreciate you coming out, guys. We'll see you in the next video.